Good morning, Bowtie Bunch. It's first thing in the morning. You saw Joe from Muddy Puddles. I like having all my friends on the TV as we're doing stuff, and I'm not wearing a bow tie right now. There's a reason for that. So, if you look here at this door, it has a post-it note on it, and me and cousin No-Tie Contractor David, we're getting some painting done on these doors, which they're just gorgeous. Mrs. Bowtie came in and realized, hey, this door is supposed to be blue. We have another door that's supposed to be blue too. So, in my defense, I was left completely unsupervised. So, yeah, I'm wearing the appropriate shirt today, but I wanted to show you some of the progress. Of course, many of you have, oh, look at the door. See the doors back here? Oh, they're looking gorgeous. And many of you have already seen the artwork. And let me turn this camera around and show you some of this, show you the next thing, because woo, something happened last night. So yes, the artwork is gorgeous, and many of you know that we got countertop tile in. Some of you don't know, most of you don't know about the trim. Is that not gorgeous with that tile? The colors all match, even in the artwork. Oh, it is just beautiful. And even the red counters, the cabinets down here, look up here. We even got the exact same red in the art there and over on the other side. Kind of ties everything in together. But oh, I want to show you. That backsplash is in all the way around behind where the sink is supposed to be. And even over here by the stove. And it looks a little ugly because of that. But I had a rare ADHD moment and hyper-focused and got this thing perfect. Oh my goodness, I can't wait till this is done. Oh. It is beautiful. And as you can see, here he is.
Hello.
Cousin No-Tie Contractor David, popping in for the job site. Yes, I recorded this just as he was backing in. That was not staged. And so he's not aware that I was doing this right now, so I'm putting him right on the spot.
Oh no.
How do you feel about the paint yesterday?
I think it went well until last night.
Until I was completely unsupervised. I had to wear this shirt this morning.
It's okay.
It's an easy fix.
Just a couple of doors of
Easy
color.
fix. That's
No
right.
problem.
That's right. So now, so here's the deal. I'm thinking about where we're at in this project. What do we have left?
Finish the bedroom.
Yeah, which is
Not
not
much.
huge. It's going to
Finish
take a couple days to do that, maybe.
Yep. Finish the kitchen. Couple of days.
Yeah. This is Thursday morning.
Yeah.
And I have a feeling we're going to get it ready tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
What's left after that, David?
Tile.
The floor.
Tile.
How long do you think the two of us will be able to whip that thing out?
No comment.
Well, I've done it before. I think with two of us, we could probably get it done in under a week.
I'm thinking probably a week. Honestly.
And then the trim.
Yeah. And the trim.
Guess what deal I just made with Mrs. Bowtie? And she was excited about it.
Well, what we got? What we got?
Brace yourself. Mrs. Bowtie has said she's willing to go check into a hotel for a day or two if she has to. Right down there, right next to her office, the next building over from her office. Can you
that
imagine?
Means that
Oh yeah!
a lot done.
Woo, boy, doggy!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
So anyway, we're thinking about it. We're considering. So I just wanted to give you guys the update. I've been putting in a couple of little videos of the progress and things going on. Things are happening.
Yes,
oh,
they
my
are.
Goodness.
Yes, they are.
Today I was thinking about how much we have left. I think for the first time, I really had the light at the end of the tunnel shining at me.
Oh yes.
Going, woo, woo.
For sure. Yeah, for sure. Because
Oh.
yeah, we got, and then the next week and a half is going to be a tremendous transformation.
Oh yes. Yes.
Tremendous, because we're at that point.
Definitely.
We're at that
Yeah.
point.
We're about
Yeah.
to head into the big. Now, I'll tell you what really needs to be transformed. You can go ahead about your business.
Alrighty.
Because this garden definitely needs a transformation. This thing is horrific. Now, folks, I have been recording garden tours. I've also been working like till 7 o'clock at night some nights. working on the remodel, and I have gone to bed totally exhausted. The grass, oh my goodness. I'm sorry to any of my neighbors for the grass. I'm gonna try to get some of this hacked out today. Maybe just get the front edge, but it's ugly. We're talking about ugly gardens. I have the ugliest garden in existence right now. Look over here, there's that fig tree. There's our sunchoke bed. There's a bunch of cannas that need to be knocked out over there. Oh, it's heartbreaking. It is heartbreaking. One thing I can say though, these beach sunflowers, oh my goodness, I gotta come around here to the sunny side because they are beautiful. This is a ground cover type plant, and I really want to make it go. Let it go. Anyway, thank you for following along, folks. Showing you the ugliest garden. I haven't even shown you the backyard. I did record this front garden tour already. I haven't even edited, July yet. So we're going to be getting things out. Here comes the morning irrigation for about 10 minutes. And yeah, we're getting there, folks. Prayers for patience, prayers for survival. Thanks for following along. Thank you for your patience as we're going through all this transition. I'm exhausted. I did get a good night's sleep last night, and I'm very excited about that. Stay tuned, please subscribe. I am still recording garden tours. I'm going to be recording the outer garden tour here this weekend. Have a blessed day, friend. Oh, I'm not going to say that yet because I got to tell you, your garden doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously, we'll wait for the August outer garden bed tour. It just has to be yours. And right now, in our life situation, that's exactly what it is. It's ours. Look at the beautiful rainbow right there. Have a blessed day, friend.